I hope everything is okay and you are healthy and safe at home. As we are continuing the chapter Multiples and Factors, today I am going to teach you about prime and composite numbers. But before teaching it, I want to show you the factors of 1 to 10 natural numbers which I have already written on the board. Let us see. 1. Factor of 1 is 1. Ones are 1. So, how many factors 1 has? 1 has only 1 factor. Now, 2. 1, 2s are 2. So, how many factors are here? 2 factors. 2 factors. What are the factors? 1 and 2. Now here 3. 1 3s are 3. So here how many factors? 2 factors. And the factors are 2 factors, that is 1 and 3. Next 4. 1 4s are 4 and then 2 2s are 4. So here total number of factors are 3. 1, 2 and 4. So 4, number 4 natural number has 3 factors. 3 factors. That is 1, 2 and 4. Next 5. 1 5s are. 5 also has only 2 factors. 2 factors. That is 1 and 5. Next 6. 1 6 are or 6 1s are, but the numbers are same, and 2 3s are, 3 2s are 6. So factors of 6 are how many? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Total 4 factors are here. 4 factors. And the numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So factors of 6 are 4. Now 7. 1 7s are 7. So here how many factors? Only, here I can say only 2 factors. 2 factors, that is 1 and 7. Next 8. 1 8s are and 2 4s are 8. 1 8s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. Total number of factors 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total number of factors are here again 4. 4 factors. And the factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next is 9. 1 9s are and 3 3s are. So total number of factors are here 1, 2 and 3. 3 factors. That is 1, 3 and 9. Next 10. 1 10s are and 2 5s are 10. So here total number of factors of 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors. 4 factors and the numbers are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So children, are you able to see some of the natural numbers have 2 factors, some of the natural numbers have 3 factors, like 3 factors here 4 and then 9. Then some of the natural numbers have 4 factors, like here you can see 6, then 10, and 1 has only 1 factor. Do you know prime numbers are number which has only 2 factors, namely 1, and the number itself is called prime number. Now let us find out prime numbers. How many prime numbers are here? See, 2 factors. Here 2 is prime number. Then 3 also, it has 2 factors 1 and 3. So 3 is also prime number. Now 4. 4 has 3 factors. So 4 is not a prime number. Now next find out. Yes, 5 also it has only 2 factors. So 5 is also prime number. 6. 6 4 factors. So 6 is not a prime number. 7. 7 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 7. So 7 is also prime number. 8. 8 has 4 factors. So 8 is also not a prime number. 9. 9 has 3 factors. So 9 is also not. 10 is also not. So then what do we say to these others? 2, 3, 5 and 7 are prime numbers. Then others? Then composite number. A number which has more than 2 factors is called composite number. So now composite numbers, see, more than 2 factors, 3 factors are here. So 4. 4 is what? 2 prime numbers are prime numbers here 2, 3, 5 and 7. I am taking from first 1 to 10 natural numbers. Then composite numbers are composite numbers which has more than 2 factors, that is 4. 4 is composite number. 4 is composite number. Then 6, it has 4 factors. So 6 is also composite number. Then 8, 9, 10. These all numbers have more than 2 factors as it is mentioned here. The factors 1, 2, 4, 8. The factors of 8. So 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. These numbers are composite numbers. Then 1 is not coming in the category of prime also and composite also. So then what do we say? Yes, it is an unique number. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. The definition of prime number. A number which has only 2 factors, namely 1 and the number itself is called prime number. Now examples are 2, 3, 5, 7. Next is composite number. A number which has more than 2 factors is called composite numbers. Now examples which I have earlier shown to you: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Many more are there. Children, there is no simple rules for finding prime numbers. Eratosthenes, a Greek mathematician, gave a method for finding prime numbers by removing numbers that are not prime. I am showing you his method for finding prime numbers for 1 to 50 numbers. Let us start. 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So you cross this 1. every multiples of 2 other than 2 is not a prime number. So you cross every second number from the beginning, leave 2. Then second number is 1, 2 is 7, 8. Second number cross. Four, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Next, every multiples of 3 other than 3 is not a prime number. So you cross out every third number from the beginning. Not to cross this 3. But after this third number, 6, that you have to read the table of 3 also. 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, or you can say 3 every third number. So now 36, 39, any way you can do. Then 42, 45, 48. Next, every multiples of 5 other than 5 is not a prime number. So cross out every fifth number from the beginning, but leave this 5. Every fifth number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Next, every multiples of 7 other than 7 is not a prime number. So you cross out every 7th number from the beginning, but you have to leave 7. Then 7 table, 7, 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 40 now. Rest of the numbers are prime numbers. Now write down all the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, then next is 23, 29 here, next is 31, then 37, 41, 43, 47. Now count all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So children, there are 15 prime numbers between 1 to 50. So children, you have recognized the prime numbers between 1 to 50. Next is twin prime. So what is it? The prime numbers which differ by 2. Difference is 2 between the two prime numbers, like 3 and 5. See the difference, 5 and 3. Difference is 2. And between these two numbers only one composite number comes, like 4. Between 3 and 5, the one number 4, that is composite number. That is called the twin prime. So now find out the twin prime from here. First is 3 and 5. The next is the difference of two prime numbers should be 2, like 11 and 13. Next is 19 and 21. Then 21 and 23. Next is 29, 31, twin prime. Then 41, and 43 twin prime. See, 41 and 43, between these two numbers 42 is coming and 42 is a composite number. Next is co-prime number. Is co-prime number. Those numbers which has only one as a common factor, then those numbers are called co-prime numbers. I am giving you one example. If I am taking number 16 and 21, then what you have to do? First find out the factors of these two numbers. 16, factor of 16. Here I am writing factor of 16. 1 16s are 16, then 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now write down the factors of 21. 21 is a prime number, 16 is a composite number. 21 has only two factors, 1 and 21. So the common factor is only 1. So 16 and 21 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. One more example now take. Like example is, you can take the example 7 and 9. Write down the factors of 7. 7 has only two factors because 7 is a prime number. 1 and 7. And 9, how many factors? Write down. 1, 9s are 9. 3, 3s are 9. So, write down 1, 3 and 9. Common factor 1, only 1. So 7 and 9 are also what? This is also co-prime numbers. So now children, how to define co-prime and twin prime? Twin prime prime numbers which differ by 2 and have only one composite number in between of them. Example 3 and 5. Next is co-prime. Those numbers which has only one as a common factor then those numbers are called co-prime number. Co-prime or relatively prime. Example 16 and 29. Children, how to recognize composite numbers. Every number, every even number other than 2 is a composite number. Other than 2, like take example 12. It is what? An even number. So it has many factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 12s are, 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Then 6 2s are 12. And then 12 ones are 12. Many factors, it is a composite number. Every number other than 5 having 0 or 5 in the ones place is a composite number other than 5. So now 25 other than 5 and it has 5 in the ones place. So check 1, then another factor is 5 and then 25. Yes, so see, it has many factors, more than 2, so it is a composite number. One example 30. Now check, 1 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 10s are, 4 table 30 is not coming, 5 coming. 5 6 are 30. Then 6 5s are 30. 7 8 9 not 10. 10 3s are 30. Then 15. 15 2s are 30. And then 30. So it has also many factors. It is a composite number. Except one, a number which is not a prime is a composite number. Children, you will learn about prime factorization. But what is factorization? The method of writing a number as a product of its factor is called factorization. Like factorization of 12. 4 3s are or 3 4s are or 2 6 are. Anyway, 2 6 are also we are writing, even 1 12 also. So this what I have done? Factorization. Next is prime factorization. When all the factors of a number are prime numbers, that is called prime factorization. Like here 12. This 3 is prime but 4 is not a prime. So if I will change this composite number into prime number, that will become prime factorization. Now 4. 2 2s are also 4 and 3 is already. So here this I have done prime factorization of 12. Here same way you can do for 2 6 are also. 2 is a what? Prime number, but 6 is a composite number. Again you can change it into this composite number into prime number. 2 3s are. So now here also, here 1. Okay, 12. 2 2s are 4 and 3s are. So this I have changed these factors into prime factors and this is called prime factorization. So now what is prime factorization? When all the factors of a number are prime, then it is called prime factorization. Factor tree. Factor tree is also one of the method to find prime factors of a number. I am showing you, like if taking one example 12, I have to make the factor tree of this 12 here. 12 you write down, and then you find the factors of 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. But 1 is not a prime number, so we will not take 1. I am taking 2. 2, 6 are. Yes children? 2, 6 are 12. We got the product 12. 2 is a prime number, but 6 is a not prime number. So again you have to find the factors of 6. 6. 2 3s are 6. Now we got the factor 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 both are prime number. So this factor tree we made of 12. So what are the prime factors? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Another way we can do by taking this 12 number. So here factors of 12, 3 and 4. So here again 3 is a prime number, but 4 is a composite number. So I have to find the factors of 4. Now 2 2s are 4. So here also 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So always children, the factors of this prime factorization method, the factors are always coming same. I am showing you taken 18 number. You have to find the prime factors of this 18 by this factor tree method. 18. Now find the factors of this 18. 2 9s are 18. Then 2 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number. Again you find the factors of this 9. 3 3s are 9. Yes, now we got here prime numbers. That is now 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Another way if you do, then 3 6 are 18. Yes children, now 3 is a prime number, but 6 is a composite number. So you can find the factors of this 6. 2 3s are 6. Now we got here the prime numbers. So now we multiply here 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So here also see the same coming 3 2 times and 2 is here 1 time. Here also 3 2 times and 2 is 1 time. So I hope children you have understood what is prime number, what is composite number, and how to find factors of a number by prime factorization method. So children, now you will solve the exercise 6.6 of your book in your maths copy. Thank you children.